Moving forward, one of the primary ways DealerFire websites will be protecting customer data will be through the required use of multi-factor authentication. There will be two ways in which your team members can do this. They can download the Microsoft Authenticator app as a second factor for approving requests, or they can use their own phone numbers to receive a unique authentication code for each login. The first time a user logs into DealerFire with this new process, they'll be prompted to select their preferred second factor authentication process. They can choose one or both options. To log in with a phone number, select the phone option. Enter your phone number and hit continue. Once the verification code is received, simply enter it into the designated field and click continue. If the user has not received the code, click send new code. To log in using the Authenticator app, select the Authenticator app option. It will redirect to a page that will ask for the code to verify. Scan the above QR code using the Microsoft Authenticator app under Verified IDs on your mobile phone to receive the code. Enter the Authenticator code and click Verify. You'll be redirected to the homepage after a successful login. At DealerFire, your security and your customer security are important to us.